Hello and welcome to this introductory video on Oracle Linux. In this video, we will learn about networking configuration files, the Network Management Command Line Interface or NMCLI, the IP utility, and Dynamic Host Control Protocol or DHCP. Linux handles network communications through software configuration files and the physical networking devices in your system. Each physical network device has an associated configuration file named ifcfg- and the name of the interface, located in the /etc/sysconfig/network-scripts directory. Let's run the ls command to locate the file on our system. In this case, it is ifcfg-ens3. This naming scheme automatically assigns interface names that are predictable and ensures that the names persist across system reboots, hardware reconfiguration, and updates to device drivers and the kernel. By default, systemd assigns a 2-character prefix based on the type of interface, in this case EN, which stands for Ethernet. The prefix is followed by a suffix based on the hardware configuration, system bus configuration, or MAC address of the device. Let's look at the configuration file. We run the command cat ifcfg-ens3. The boot proto or bootstrap protocol setting is how the interface obtains its IP address. It is obtained via DHCP when the system starts up or reboots. The interface device is ENS3, which is the name of the physical network interface device. On boot equals yes means that the interface is activated at boot time. Type is the network type, which is Ethernet. And user CTL is whether users other than root can control the state of this interface. With set to no, they cannot. Next, let's look at the locally attached network interfaces. As root, run the command ls-l /sys pipe grep ens to display a list of the network interface devices attached to a system. The -l option uses a long listing format, while -r recursively lists all files and directories within the sys directory. The pipe grep part of the command searches through the results for a particular pattern of characters, in this case ENS. The results shows the system has a device named ENS3. Oracle Linux has other configuration files that contain important network interface information. One such file is /etc/sysconfig/network. As root, we run cat /etc/sysconfig/network. This file specifies global network settings. System networking is turned on because of the yes option. Another important networking file is /etc/hosts. As root, we run the command cat /etc/hosts. This file associates host names with IP addresses. It resolves or looks up an IP address when the host name is used. The first column contains the IP address. The second column is the fully qualified host name. The first line is for resolving IPv4 host addresses to names. The second line is for resolving IPv6 host addresses to names. Another tool for managing network configurations is the Network Manager. The Network Manager dynamically detects and configures network connections and also attempts to keep network interfaces up and active. NMCLI is the command line version of the GUI service for Network Manager. You can use NMCLI to create, display, edit, delete, activate, and deactivate network connections, as well as control and display network device status. When working with NMCLI, there are 7 different objects: general, networking, radio, connection, device, agent, and monitor. Use the help argument to display the options and information about the objects. There is a list of options we can append to the NMCLI command to display overviews and output modes, as well as the program version and setting a timeout. By running the command NMCLI followed by N, we see that networking is enabled. To view connections, run NMCLI followed by C, which shows ENS3. And to view the devices connected, run NMCLI and the D option. You can use the IP command to display the status of an interface, configure network properties, or for debugging or tuning the network. To show the status of all active devices, run IP-ADDR. To show the status of a specific device, run IP-link show ENS3. And finally, your Oracle Linux system can be configured as a DHCP client. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Control Protocol, which accepts IP addresses from a DHCP server on a network. Your system must have the dhcp-client package already downloaded and installed. For example, using the dnf command, run dnf-info dhcp-client. As you can see, the DHCP-client is already installed with a newer version available. Once installed, run the command nmcli-con modify ens3 IPv4.method auto to automatically enable DHCP. ENS3 is the connection name. IPv4.method associates an IPv4 address with the device connection and auto-enables DHCP automatically. This command changes the boot proto definition in the ifcfg-iface file to DHCP. Once changed, your Oracle Linux will automatically receive an assigned IP address from the DHCP server. This removes the need to manually manage and assign IP addresses. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.